Alright, I'm here with Evan, and we're going to run through calibrating a bucket, and then we're going to run through calibrating a tip bucket. First thing you do is you exit out of here, you go into the 2D menu, and to calibrate the bucket you just hit enter, go over.
You can do it right there to set up bucket.
Set up bucket, and you hit enter, and then enter a calibrate bucket. This is bucket number 4, tip.
You can go back there, so you can select a bucket by arrowing up or down.
Yep. So we want bucket number 4, and then the sensor on the bucket is on the left. That means that the bolts are
to the operator's right.
To the operator's right. Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm. Right.
Tilt bucket. Well, this is, we're going to change that to no, because we're just going to calibrate it regularly. And the bucket length, we'll show you where that measurement is. And the bucket angle, we'll show you that measurement. And the bucket flat. Alright. Alright, so your bucket length is from the rotating pin down to the cutting edge. The bucket angle is from the pivoting pin, center of the pin to the plumb to the tooth. The flat angle is when the bucket is just sitting flat. This is just for graphics. Your bucket width is just the bucket width. Okay, you enter in the bucket length by the up and down arrow keys. You get what you want, and then move arrow over. Your bucket angle, you set it plumb, and then you hit the 0 button on the side. The flat angle is when you put your bucket flat the way you want it, and then you hit the 0 button. The bucket width, you enter it in by hitting the up and arrow, up and down. Tilt 0
is when you level the bucket with a 4-foot level.
With a level, and then you hit the 0 button when you're level.